commercial electrical contractor, property managers, realtors, property flippers, investors. What's up? This is Stuart, Birmingham Electrical. So we got a call out earlier in the week to Gadsden at a retirement home. They had all these refrigerators and plugged into just a couple circuits, and it was overheating and tripping, and it was a bad situation. Anyway, we came out Monday, diagnosed the situation, remedied it temporarily with tracing the circuits and finding out what you could plug in where. The solution was to add a couple dedicated circuits. So that's what we've done in this panel, and we run it over here. We dropped some surface mounted outlets and plugs here with our MC cable, tied it into a junction box up there. There's one, two, three, four. So problem solved. They now have enough dedicated circuitry to run all the refrigeration equipment. For all the nice people in this retirement home, are always so friendly when I come in and say hello to me. So what's your problem? We have solutions. Let's hook up. Follow us on our socials at Birmingham Electrical. Merry Christmas.